When Abu Dhabi executed the UAE Games 2026, they didn't just host a tournament. They threw down a global gauntlet for what true capability looks like. The UAE Games 2026 started with a promise to take a sporting event and turn it into the nation's absolute loudest statement on human inclusion. And over 5 unforgettable days, from June 6 to June 10, that promise wasn't just kept. It was beautifully, flawlessly executed. More than 1,000 athletes with intellectual and developmental disabilities took center stage. Alongside international delegations from places like Malta and Morocco, they transformed Abu Dhabi into the global capital of sheer willpower. His wasn't just a ceremonial gathering. This was elite, hard-fought competition. From the early gymnastics rounds in Dubai to the main stages at Adnek and the Khalifa International Bowling Center, the energy was electric. We saw records shattered in powerlifting. We saw strategic masterclasses on the badminton courts. And for the first time ever, the introduction of the Motor Activity Training Program, or MATP, allowed athletes with severe disabilities to showcase their own incredible, groundbreaking milestones. Every drop of sweat, every cheer from the stands, and every medal hung around a champion's neck proved one thing. When you give athletes of determination a world-class platform, they deliver world-class performances. Look at the numbers. The groundbreaking Healthy Athletes Initiative deployed an army of 29 clinical directors and more than 400 healthcare volunteers. They provided vital, free health screenings, ensuring that long after the stadium lights turned off, these athletes would continue to thrive. Abu Dhabi didn't just host a tournament. They set a new global benchmark for what an inclusive society looks like. The games have ended, but the impact is just beginning. Like, share, drop your thoughts down in the comment and follow for more such stories.